Namaste, my dear children. Now we are going to see different kind of presentation for international place value system. I hope it will be very useful to you to understand better than previous one. Okay, now we are moving down to the next slide. That next slide shows some boxes. That each thing contain three boxes. Then above the boxes, periods are given. See, from the last one we all can go. From the last one, what is there? Once. That means once period. Then before that, thousand period. Before that, million period. Then billion period. Why I have given different color means to show the differentiation between the periods. That's what I have given different colors. Now we are moving down to the next slide. Then one more thing I want to say in this slide, see carefully, each period contain three boxes. That means each period we should write three digit. If there is only one digit means we want to add two more zeros in the beginning. If it is given only two digit means we want to add 10. That is the meaning. Yes. Okay, shall we move down to the next slide? Yes. Now you are seeing the next slide that is showing what? How to name the numbers according to the international place value system. The first example is 100,000. See, already I said to you, each period should contain three digits. That's what I have given comma for each three digits. See, the first from the last, from the right side, that those three digits are in black color. That means that is once period. The next one that is fully in pink color, that represent thousand period. Here in thousand period, the number is 100. In one's period, there is nothing. That means in one's period, there is nothing means what? Only thousand period alone available. 100,000. That's all. The next example is what? You are going to see that. Yes. The next example, we are seeing this. From the last, we can tell that is 390, that is in one's period. Before that, there is pink color, that is 1000 period. Before that, there is blue color, that is million period. That means the name of this number, that in million period there is 3. So 3 million. In 1000 period there is 563. So 563,000. In one's period there is 390. So the name of this number is 3,563,390. Yes. Now we are going to move down to the next slide. The next example is given like this. From the last, that is 200, that is in one's period. Then before that, 394, that is in pink color, that is 1000 period. Before that, there is 56, that is million period. In million period, there is 56. So 56 million 394,200. The next example is, we all can tell on seeing this. So in blue color, there is 400. So 400 million 487,609. I hope you all are understood how to name the numbers in international place value system. The next slide we are going to see how to write down the numbers in figure form. Yes, the first example is given like this, 200,000. That means we want to write this 200 pink color. That pink color represent what? 1000 period. So we want to make this 200 in 1000 period. There is nothing given in ones period. So we want to make it as 0. So the first example is 200,000. The next example, see, 576,000. That means this 576, we want to make it as in the 1000 places, 1000 period. Next, 417. We want to put this 417 in ones period. So figure form is 576, comma 417. The next example is 8 million. We want to put this 8 in pink color. That means we want to put that 8 in million period. Then comma. Then 20. We want to make this 20 in 1000 period. 20 means we